Hi you all, Lakshmi this side. Today I'm talking about polo t-shirts. So polo t-shirts are back and huge this season. Polo t-shirts are good for both men and women, but in this video I'm particularly discussing on how polo t-shirt can be paired in different ways for a men's styling. Right from an office look to a casual look to even a vacation look. This is that essential part of your wardrobe which can go with anything and everything. You cannot go wrong in a polo t-shirt. It is that summer staple which adds more character and personality to your whole outlook. Do invest in one perfect polo t-shirt for yourself that goes well with your skin tone. Colors like navy, black, white, and neutrals are perfect to layer it up with. Invest in one which has a good textured knit and has a good tailored, pattern. The three ways you can look very classy, modern, and elegant in a polo t-shirt are these. For a casual wear look, pair it up with a jean or a chinos. Make sure the colors are coordinated well. If you're pairing it with a chinos, I would suggest to tuck in the polo t-shirt rather than keeping it open. Also, don't forget to pair it up with good accessories like a good watch. The shoes can be leather sneakers or a white sneaker or anything which actually goes well with the whole look. You can even add on a good frame to add more playfulness to your look. For a formal or an informal styling, pair it up with a good blazer or a v-neck sweater or even a good cardigan. Imagine you're wearing a white polo t-shirt and adding a blue blazer and a blue trouser along with it. Then you can actually style it up with a white or a leather sneaker. Even a leather loafers or a leather formal shoes would go great with the whole look. Add on a gold watch that should actually take the whole look to another level. Also pair it up with a good framed glass. This look should give more personality and character to your whole look. This would be good for a formal presentation or an interview or any formal meetings you have. The most fun way to style your polo t-shirt would be for a vacation look. Imagine styling it up with the linen shorts or a swim shorts. I would suggest one above your knee length. Gives an illusion of longer legs. You can pair it up with a Birkins or a loafers or even like a white sneakers or any other sneakers, okay? Not just white sneakers, but white sneakers is something that actually goes well with the whole look. But it's also I wouldn't say a trend, that was also a very like a quiet luxury style that was already there for a long time. Do accessorize it with maybe bracelets or watches or even rings would go well on a vacation look. You can add your good sunglasses or even a good hat. This will all go well with your polo t-shirt. So these are three ways in which you can style your polo t-shirts for a men's wear. I'm coming up with polo t-shirts for women's wear quite soon. But for women's, it's not just for polo t-shirts. There are also other polo t-shirt kind of dresses that are actually in the season. I'll see you all soon. Bye.